Welcome back to my channel Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off location tracking on your Windows 10 PC. If you're someone who values privacy or simply doesn't want Windows or apps tracking your location, this quick guide is for you. So, let's get started. First, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on the Privacy option. Now, on the left-hand side panel, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down a little and click on Location. Here, at the top, you'll see an option that says Location for this device is on or off. If it's on, click on the Change button and simply turn the toggle off. This will completely stop Windows from using your device's location. Now scroll down a bit and you'll see another section called Allow apps to access your location. Make sure to turn this toggle off as well. This prevents all apps from using your location data. If you want to be more specific, you can even control which apps can access your location individually. Just go through the list below and turn off location access for apps you don't want tracking you, like Microsoft Edge, Maps, or any other unnecessary ones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Gitter Official.